Hi, good morning. Today, we will do salt pregnancy, home pregnancy testing. Titingnan natin kung effective siya. What I have here ay salt, iodized salt or table salt. Syempre yung ating test glass at yung sample P. Sample P. Sa akin to. And ngayon ko lang siya kinuha. Tara, fresh. Okay. Wala tong rules kung ano yung ingredients na dapat. But what will I do is I will put here a tablespoon, and also hindi ito guaranteed kaya subok-subok lang, a tablespoon or more, tablespoon or two, kahit yan. Now I'll pour a little bit of pea, and sabi daw nila kung mag-freezy siya o kaya mag-change ng color, it means pregnant. Lapit ko ng konti. Yan siya ha. Yan ito yung salt. Let's see.
Now what's that?
I really don't know if I have to shake or... Oh my goodness, what does it mean? Wala naman siyang... Hindi naman siya bumula. So, malamang negative. But let's see. Pero nag-change siya ng kulay. It's not the same as a while ago, diba? Na medyo yellowish, light yellow. This one, look, turned white. Parang naging milky na siya. I'm not sure kung nagmamatter to, pero it changed. We'll see. Tingnan natin kung totoo ito or kung tama ito. I'm gonna try later on, probably yung sa sugar naman. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mas effective. And of course, pag naka-pregnancy test na ako, tingnan natin kung ito nga siya, right? I'll be back. Nung pinatay ko yung video, this what happened. Bumula siya. Ayay! What does it mean? Ayan. Kita ba? Ano siya, nawawala.
And you mama.
There it is. Ayun nga, meron siyang parang parang beer na bula. Ayun. Pero konti lang naman, not so much. Pero meron. Ayan. Ewan ko lang ha. Hi there again, mamas and papas. I'm here to perform a test again. At this time, a while ago, I tried the salt. This time, I'm gonna try sugar. Nakalagay siya sa ice cream container. Pero sugar siya. Ito yung pang bake na sugar. So what will I do here? I have 2 cups here, the test glass. And of course, the pea in here. Hindi siya makita. But I have the pea here ready. Now, here. This is empty ha. Wala siyang laman. Now, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of sugar. And as what I read, na pag nag-form daw siya ng clumps, yung mga kumpul-kumpul, it means you're pregnant. Pero kapag na-dissolve yung sugar sa pea, ibig sabihin na hindi buntis. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna pour. I'm not sure if I will put, I'll put all. See. Nothing. Na-dissolve lang siya. No, it's nothing.
It's yellow.
Yeah, it's still the same. No. Let's see for a few minutes. Sabi few minutes daw eh.
I like to do that.
No, my love, one moment. We will wait because it says here. Let's wait a few minutes. May magkakaroon ng changes. Nahulog lang siya sa baba.
P. That's P.
Yeah. No, it's not forming anything. So I guess it's nothing. Hindi naman sinabing stir. Sabi lang, wait for a few minutes. Wait lang, nabasa ko na more sugar daw. 1 lang kasing nilagay ko. I'm gonna add 2 more or at least, kasi sabi 1 lang yung nakita ko. Tapos, may nabasa na naman ako 3 spoonfuls daw. Let's see. Tapos, maghihintay daw ng 10 minutes. Pag na-dissolve lang yung sugar, wait, tanggalin natin ito mga. Pag na-dissolve lang daw siya, then wala. 10 minutes pa daw eh, so matagal-tagal pa. I'll be back, alright? After, I think 10 minutes na. or close to 10 minutes, wala ko nakita ng difference. Pero, meron ako nakita sa video na kailangan mo pala siyang i-scoop out to see yung clams. Tingnan natin. Paano ba? Oh my goodness. Ito nga siya, oh. Pero I think this is a normal thing naman, di ba? Pag, I'm not so sure. Pero parang ito nga siya.
What's that?
I think this is the clumping na
For
they're
that.
talking about. I'll try to stare nga. Oo nga, clump nga siya inside, so hindi siya totally dissolved. Let's see. I'm gonna stare this, at kung hindi talaga siya meron pa rin siyang clumps, oh. Hindi siya totally mag-dissolve, then, effective. Let's see. We'll be back. My love, one moment, Kellyanne! We'll show it. Yan, clumpy siya, clumpy, hindi siya na-dissolve.
Open the potty.
So, ayan, totally,
Open the potty, Mama.
stir ko na siya, and then, hindi talaga siya ni-dissolve. Unlike pag tinitimpla siya ng,
Open the potty.
tinitimpla siya ng kape, or ng any water na tinitimplahan mo siya, hindi siya na-dissolve, kasi napakatagal na nito. I think it's more than 10 minutes na.
Saying this today.
I think this is 15 minutes na, andyan pa rin siya.
What's that blinking?
No, that's not blink. This one.
What the red? What's it?
Sugar to sugar.